Hello, I'm Dick James de Guzman. I have a strong background in healthcare. I am dedicated to improving patient care and finding solutions to make things better for those who are sick. I recently completed the 40-hour Medical Virtual Assistant online masterclass training with Sync2 VA, where I gained valuable skills in using EHR, EMR systems, live scribing, and communication through mock calls. I am also experienced in processing prescription refills, ensuring patient privacy with HIPAA compliance, managing appointments, and performing medical transcription. Before this, I spent over 10 years as an emergency medical technician instructor with Rescue Recon One Philippines, where I developed and taught life-saving techniques and emergency medical services. I also work at Droweco Medical Specialist and Maternity Clinic, gaining hands-on experience in patient care, diagnosing, treating, and educating patients and their families. With my diverse healthcare background and newly acquired virtual assistant skills, I am excited to contribute to your team and help improve healthcare operations. Thank you for your time and consideration, and I look forward to the opportunity to work with you.